Alright, folks, we have a serious situation unfolding right now. I'm not getting any data in from KHDC. Give me a second. I'm trying to figure something. Yeah, I'm not getting any data out of KHDC. I don't know what's going on. But we have a pretty bad situation taking place right now. I don't know why I'm not getting any data right now from KHCC. I don't know what's going on. I think KHCC might have gone out. That was not a good time for that either because of what's going on. And plus, I don't have KHCC on here, so I don't. Oh, nah. This is the closest we can view it. Oh my god. Gosh. It's gonna take a bit for KHCC to get a hold of it, but let's look at Mobile for it. Here's where the strong rotation is. There's a potentially large tornado on the ground near the John C. Stennis Space Center. It would be right in this area. If you're in Killen, Silver Creek Acres, and Fenton, you need to get your shelter right right now. This is urgent as it gets, folks. This might be serious. Oh wow. Hold on a second. No, I'm getting no data. Killing, get your shelter. This is in Mississippi. Get your shelter. This is in Mississippi. This is a pretty this is a pretty bad situation here. I'm pretty sure that tornado warning up in Picayune has already expired. It actually goes until 10:45, so the warning count should really be up to 3 instead of 2. They're not 2. But I can't get any data out of KHTC. I don't even know why. It doesn't make any sense. I don't know why I'm not getting data. For, especially from Attic Radar, I just can't get any data at all. The last thing I got out of it was like 33 minutes ago, but I don't know why it's not loading it at all. Loading anything up. Dang. So, looks like Mobile's our best bet here for a little while. Wow. Killing, if I hope you're in shelter. I hope you are. I have data. I have recent data from KHCC on my radar scope. I don't know why I don't have it from. I don't know why Attic Radar is not loading it up. Loading it. I just don't know why. I find that to be really weird. Hold on one moment. I am back. You guys, this has gotten pretty serious. Um, Obviously, a pretty intense situation is underway. We have still intense. We have still some rotation showing up. Still nothing from out of KHCC. Bro, yeah, I still can't get any data out of it from here. But man, looks like I have to stick to Mobile for now because apparently KHCC is having some problems on my end over here. So yeah, here's the area of rotation though. If you're anywhere within these two tornado warnings, okay, these two observed tornado warnings, I will get your shelter right now. Holy moly! All four, I will get your shelter as well. Um, let's see here, Silver Creek Acres, but I'm not. KHCC is struggling to get me a scan. I don't understand why. I really don't know. What? Hmm. What was it? Okay. The rotation has gotten significantly weaker from KHDC. But man, what the heck? That was pretty bad looking on radar. Let me tell you that for sure. Before I went live, that looked pretty bad. Let me go back to Mobile though, as we'll probably be looking at this radar soon once this stuff enters the Mobile area. Hmm. Okay, that's more than likely interference. I don't think that's actually. I don't think that's rotation right there in a golf court. Because the reason why I'm saying that is because if you look at this, there's no rain around it. So and it thinks it's picking up rotation, but it's actually not. It's just out of clutter or something showing up right there with that. So, but golf 4 I would remain in shelter. Yep, this one's radar indicated now. But let's see here. KHCC again. Of course, it's going to struggle with me again. Let's see if we still have anything on debris. No, we do not. That's a good thing. That means it probably lifted at this point. And now I can't load reflexivity. This is weird. I don't know why it's acting like that, but it's being weird. Let's see. So yeah, both of these tornado warnings are back to radar indicated, so it's not on the ground anymore, I'll think. But from what I'm looking at here, there's not much rotation. Is there strong winds? Yes. But that's gonna head up towards Gulfport and Biloxi. But it doesn't look as impressive as what it was before. Certainly not. I'm gonna go back to Mobile. I want to talk about day 6. The reason why I want to talk about day 6, they pulled a day 6 30%. And that is rare. I don't know when the last time I saw a day 6 30% enhanced. And the warning is even more worrying. Primary feature of concern will be now. All right, here. The actual severe weather setup appears substantial. Air mass modification will ensue northward from the western Gulf on day 3, with multiple days to improve the low level moisture profile, amid well above normal surface temperatures and a pronounced elevated mixed layer, with the likely flow field amplification through the troposphere. All ingredients appear present for a significant severe weather day on day 6, Monday. The area of uncertainty of the synoptic features is the primary limiting factor. For now, I have added a fine 30% highlight to indicate the higher end potential and the most probable corridor, while broadening the previous 15% area. That's interesting. Okay, we gotta get back to these tornado warnings. We have to. So here's where our area of struggle is. The probable rotation still is. Let's go to SRV and look for there if it will load it. Right here. Here's where that's our rotation. Right there. I can only go get Mobile on WS3. WS3 doesn't. At least the version of WS3 I have right now does not have KHCC involved or added to it. So yeah, that's why I'm sticking with Mobile here. But Mobile, watch out! This is coming away with the potential of pretty strong winds along it. Getting damage reports out of Slidell. Um, so if you're wondering where the Jones East Tennis Space Center is, it's right here. And I have not heard of any damage from there yet, but we probably will hear something out of there soon because of what I saw on radar earlier with that. We have two tornado warnings left on the board right now, and but we still have this line of storms will enter Mobile very soon. We have a severe first warning in effect for George, Perry, Wayne, Greene, and Stone counties in Mississippi, and that goes until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. So if you're in Waynesboro, if you're from if you're from Laurel all the way down to Gulfport, you're getting hit by strong ice storms, and you're still under tornado warning at Gulfport. So I would still say your safe spot. Strong winds are likely approaching Wiggins, Roosdale, Weeksville, Belmont, Richton, Waynesboro, and Laurel. Heidelberg, Shibuda, and Quitman as well. Let's see what Let's see if we can get better view of the strong winds from KHCC. And kind of can, but it's hard. It's hard to tell. So we can't get a clear picture of that either at this time. Um, but really strong winds are still occurring with this storm. Or you see all these blues showing up. That's where we're getting all the strong winds. The Slidell Police Department is telling people to stay indoors. There's extensive damage reported in Slidell. Yikes, that's not good. But a lot of strong winds occurring with this right here. Um, heading near the Gulfport International Airport, Gulfport Biloxi International Airport. Latest scan still shows that the strong winds, and there's clearly strong winds along this whole line. Now, let me make sure that's not actually rotation over Cedar Lake. I don't think it is, but let me double check. I mean, I don't think it is, but it's a close call. So we'll see. We have heavy rainfall occurring in I think in a Mobile, but not severe. More severe weather is on the way. Severe weather is on the way to Mobile though soon. we have a reports of a multi-vortex tornado just north of I-12. Oh nah. Okay, breaking news. Yo, flash flood emergency for New Orleans. Flash flood emergency for New Orleans. That is a flash flood emergency. Catastrophic threat tag. Flash flood emergency for the city of New Orleans. Hold on a second. By the way, we do have a new tornado warning out now for that likely circulation there. So there's that. There's that new tornado warning there. But yeah, we have a flash flood emergency. Flash flood flash flood emergency for the city of New Orleans. Emergency management reported numerous roads in and around New Orleans are underwater and impassable. This is a flash flood emergency for the city of New Orleans. Seek higher ground now. Let's get to this story warning over here. So it looks like they warned us because of the rotation there. Let me see. I think I have to look from KHCC because I don't know. I don't know, or I'll have to look at Mobiles. Or Mobiles is the best option. Yeah, it is. Oh, man. Crazy. Today is going nuts. Honestly. Um, so we currently have only one active tornado warning right now. Seems like we have some strong winds starting to form near Mobile, very close to Tanner Williams. Some pretty strong winds starting to occur there. But the main severe weather is coming to Mobile very soon. So I would get ready if you're in Mobile Metro. You can also see some really strong winds starting to develop right here. From Beaumont all the way down towards Ramsay Springs. And that's all heading towards Mobile. All that's heading up towards the Mobile area. Here soon. And if let's see, let's do this here. The whole line is moving east at 55 miles per hour. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put a track on it, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Okay. Moving east at 55 miles per hour. Actually, I'm not going to track the whole line. I'm going to just track the part of it that has the strongest winds here. Lucedale 11:16, Weeksville 11:16, Wimmer 11:41. Central now. You'll go to you 11:37. Saraland 11:50. Satsuma 11:50. Pritchard 11:50. Chickasaw 11:51. Creola 11:52, and Mount Vernon at 11:52. That's when that complex of storms will enter your area here soon. This is going into Lucedale as well, and likely will be producing strong winds. We do have this tornado warning that's still in effect for Harrison and Jackson counties, and that tornado warning does go into effect until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Um, damaging wind and tornado risk continues. The greatest near-term severe risk will be focused across southeast Mississippi into southwest Alabama vicinity. So now I'm hearing out a slide. I'm hearing from this is from the Slidell Police Department. They're saying they're urging people to stay in shelter. There's catastrophic damage reported. Give me a second. folks, this has already gotten really serious. Um, and what we're gonna see happen with this, it might take on a merger, and then it might try to produce another tornado. But hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully this completely goes bye bye, and it's only a strong wind threat. But of course, strong winds can also do damage, so we don't want that either. But it doesn't look like what we saw earlier, though. But it is still kind of rotating a little bit, right in this area. It still looks like it's rotating a little bit, so I would definitely still stay in your safe spot. Strong winds on approach to Loosedale as well. With that line of storms. But yeah, I mean, wow. If you're on Chrome Road, if you're in Vladimir, um, get to your shelter right now. You're under tornado warning right now. This is urgent right here. Um, Ramsey Springs. This is if you're in Ramsey Springs, you're about to get hit by strong winds. You're not gonna get hit by this storm area, but you're gonna get hit by pretty strong winds. This is for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Um, right there. Right here. Okay, let's see. Um, there is an area of rotation showed up still, but it's gonna take a second for. Obviously, it's gonna take some time for this to get a scan out of it, but let's look at SRV on this. Here's where our area of rotation would be. Okay, if there is any rotation, right in about here. If you live anywhere in the tornado warning, I'll get you shelter as fast as possible, just in case here. This storm will head off near Mobile soon. Hopefully, it doesn't do anything, but the environment's there for the potential tornadoes today. So I would get ready for anything to happen here. Not gonna get out of auto grid right here. I'm gonna have to refresh it again. I know. I don't think refreshing's gonna help. No, refreshing will not help. So I'm gonna just have to wait till it updates again on my auto grid right here. But we still have this. We're still watching this area of rotation here as it heads off towards areas particularly near Loosedale. Strongland's still on approach to Loosedale. Um, it will be in Loosedale by 11:25. So we don't have another scan out of the radar here just yet. Still waiting on something. Okay. That doesn't look very pleasant. Looks like I got a new reflectivity scan. Now I'm waiting on velocity update for me here. Adequate takes a minute to actually work, so it's gonna be a little while here. But it's gonna update the velocity scan for me. 11:11 was the latest velocity scan update, and you still see there might be an area of rotation with this, and it's gonna head off to near. It's gonna head off new severe first warning. With the damage threat considerable for 70-mile-per-hour winds. That's for Jackson County in southern Mississippi. That is in effect until noon Central Daylight Time. So that brings our severe first warning count up to 4 now. Here's here's our rotation. Right there near Wallaroo. The area of rotation is near Wallaroo. Looking at our collision coefficient, I'm not seeing any sort of TDS on it. What TDS means tornadic debris signature. I'm not seeing that. So that's good news, but problem is it could form again soon. And that won't be a good sign if it does in fact do that. Here, give me a second while I get something up here. I'm gonna do something here. Um, let's see. There, I have it now. So there's gonna be a lot of wind with this line of storms. Okay. Now, let's go back to our velocity. You still see that area of rotation on WSM3. Same thing shows up here. Rotation. No DDS, but there's obvious rotation with it. So if you're in this tornado warning, I'll get your shelter right now. Um, the tornado warning remains in place until 11:45 a.m. this morning. Um, a lot of stuff happening right now. I know this is crazy what we have going on here. 11:60 was the most recent scan. 11:14 for my velocity. For my updated velocity. 11:14 for my updated velocity. So so much for this storm here. All right, I'm gonna eat lunch real quick, but I'll be right back. But but take these warnings seriously, because this is no joke whatsoever. I am back. A severe forest warning is now in effect for downtown Mobile, Alabama. For 70-mile-per-hour winds and dime-sized hail. Let me update the severe forest warning count to 2. We still have this tornado warning that is in effect right now. Although, and we'll continue to keep an eye on it because it could try to do something as it nears Mobile. As of right now, though, it's just a strong wind event right here, heading into Mobile, Alabama. This is moving east at 50 miles per hour, so we're gonna track this whole line moving east at 50 miles per hour here. Did it say 50 or 55? Okay, it said 50. I'm gonna have to. I think I did that wrong here. Let's do this. I did it wrong again. That was 55, not 50. Hold on. Stick with me. I'm having a little trouble trying to put the right track on it. Yeah. Oh, God. About to give up. Just give me a second, you guys. I'm trying to do it. Moving east at 50 miles per hour. Grand Bay 1147. Theodore 1159. Tillman's Corner 12 o'clock. Pritchard 1207. Chickasaw 1208. Mobile 1209. Spanish Fort 1217. Fairhope 1218. Daphne at 1219. And Foley at 1234. I'm mainly seeing strong wind with this. But the potential some maybe better circulation showed up with it still. I'll keep it on in here. Let's see what's up here. And I'm not really seeing much here, but rotation here, but there's definitely strong winds. But it could rotate again very shortly. So we'll watch it. But man, the flooding potential for New Orleans is only increasing by the second. That's bad news. We have a flash flood emergency for New Orleans. Numerous roads underwater and impassable in the New Orleans area, so that's very unfortunate. Um, so here's the area of stronger winds, right here. It's gonna head up towards Mobile after 12 o'clock p.m. today. So, and you're underestimating fire supporting for another 34 minutes, Mobile. So, I'll get ready for this line of storms to enter your area soon. As for this other batch of storms, I'm gonna track your part of it. See where this one's going. Moving east at 50 50 miles per hour. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna track it based off velocity here, because that's the best way to do it for me to do this here. East at 50 miles per hour, correct? Here. Wilmer 1151, Cincinnati 1207, Satsuma 1212, Creola 1214, Mount Vernon 1220, and McIntosh at 1226 there, until it gets to those areas. I am monitoring a possible area of rotation forming, in near Mobile here. I'm very close to Wilmer. That's up here. That's over here, and the area of rotation is currently over Cambridge Drive, heading up towards Evans Road, Smithtown, and near Georgetown, and it's gonna head up towards Creole, either Creole or Satsuma, and or and towards Axis. Right now, it's moving towards Smithtown. So get ready for that area here in just a few seconds. It's here. I'm going to might change the lighting icon so because I want to see this look better. Let me find something unique to look at to use here. I don't want to use plus signs really. Um, I might as well use the first option because it looks kind of neat, in my opinion here. But yeah, right here is where our possible rotation would be located at. And if you live in Mobile, I would get ready for some very strong winds, which is why you're under severe thunderstorm warning right now. Let's see. But yeah, Smithtown is heading your way. There's gonna be some strong winds, heavy rainfall, gusty wind, and a potential forceful rotation with it, but no imminent tornado threat there. This is all part of the QLCS line of storms that's moving on through. Um, as you can see here. Um, it's going to enter Mobile very soon, so if you're in Mobile, I will get ready. We're getting some heavy rainfall in Mobile, and places like Pritchard, Chickasaw, areas that put out their track that these storms are heading into. But the worst is not there yet. So the worst is on the way though. Um, best of y'all just wait it out. Um, looking at the Siri Fire supporting up for Foley, Summerdale, Robertsdale, and Loxley area, and I'm seeing So you see these purple colors and black colors of reflectivity. That's the sign of large hail. That's the sign of hail. Occurring. I'm not seeing much in rotation. Vertically articulated liquid is hail, and it shows, and it's maxed out. Um, almost maxed out. 79.5. There. 813 feet ARL. So, good news there, folks. They have expired. They have allowed that the trailer to expire just now, so that's good news. Look it up on this one here, making sure it actually doesn't have rotation, and see here, check it out. And no, it does not look like this is rotating, but it is one for 1.25 inch hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. The severe fire warning for Mobile is warned for 70 mile per hour wind gusts and dime-sized hail. Locations in this warning include but are not limited to Midtown Mobile, downtown Mobile, Pritchard, Tillman's Corner, Saraland, Theodore, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Grand Bay, Citronelle, Bluesdale, Bayou Battery, Creola, Dolphin Island, Wakesville, Chatua, Gulf Crest, Deer Park, Axis, and Mount Vernon. So if you live at any of those locations, you are under the severe force warning considerable threat tag for 70 mile per hour winds and dime-sized hail, and that warning goes until 12:15. So yeah, um, strong winds are the main concern with this one, of this whole entire line, as it heads through Mobile. It'll be in Mobile by 12:18. Okay, so 12 o'clock for Tillman, places like Tillman's Corner and Theodore. Um, 12:14 to 12:15 for Mobile, in and around Mobile. See, 12:17 to 12:18 for Pritchard. 11, 11:56 a.m. for this area right here. Grand Bay, 11:55. So you have about 6 minutes till it reaches Grand Bay. Bayou Battery at 12:08. Point Clear, 12:28. Fairhope at about 12:30. Time frame. And Spanish Fort by about 12:30. Robertsdale and Summerdale as well will also get the brunt of all this too. But yeah, anybody that lives within these areas should get ready for a really strong glide storms in your area. It's not on the ground whatsoever. There's no tornadoes with this. And I do not see any rotation. Well, I'm gonna look at velocity again to make sure nothing has changed with that. And does that does look like there is any rotation here? Let's look at this over here and just make sure. Nope, just mainly looks like strong winds with that. So entering going towards Creola. So strong winds is definitely a concern with this line, but not seeing any circulations with it at the moment. That I should be concerned about at least. Um, if I can measure, I'm actually going to do something here. I'm going to measure how strong the winds are of the pro mode. So around 57, anywhere from 50 to 62 to all the way as high as all the way as high as yeah 62 mile per hour winds is occurring with this um this storm or this severe storm. The winds may be a little bit stronger with it though because they have warned it for 70 mile per hour winds. So the potential for 60 mile per hour winds with this side of storms is pretty high. Um, and you can see if I loop it here, you can see how the line has really moved as it's moving east at around 50 miles per hour. It will be in Mobile very soon. Um, and once Mobile once it and if we look at this here, if we look at the fronts here, you can see that cold front. I think the cold front looks either I think the cold front's around Beaumont or now, but it's quickly approaching the area, and you can see once the cold front passes by, it probably will be done. It probably will be done with your severe weather. So Houston, so example, Houston, Texas, your front's over. Beaumont, your front's probably over. Like Charles, there's probably there's a lot of damage that I've been hearing out of Lake Charles from this morning. Um, and then also, um, okay, I'm starting to get a little more, and I don't know. Let me make sure that's not. That might be more rotation showed up near Tillman's Corner. Hold on. Let me investigate this a little bit further. That might be more rotation near Tillman's Corner. Hold on. I'm gonna have to see for myself. What's this next flash again on adequate updates? But yeah, that might be more rotation showing up along that line. Um, which is interesting to watch here very closely. And I'm waiting for this next scan to come in here so I can see if that's actually rotation on this storm here near Tillman's Corner here in just a second. We're gonna be able to see here if we do actually have rotation on this, but it does look like to me that we might have some of that here near Tillman's Corner, and it looks. Let me see here. The rotation is over County Road 11. So it's over County Road 11, and it's gonna go towards. It probably will go towards Jack Hamilton Road, Sleepy Hollow Farm Road, as well, and it'll probably also go towards McLeod Road and Crosby Hills Drive, and it'll likely go to Free Notch Road and everywhere else in between there. Probably where this will go towards next in there. Let's see if Adequate Radar has an update on the velocities here so we can see if that was actually rotated. Okay, we got a new scan, and yeah, I will watch that. That's probably his rotation there. So what we have going on here is potentially some rotation showing up near Mobile on this line. If it does produce a tornado, it probably will be very brief. So right here, what I'm concerned about is right this area, going up towards Westwick Road, right, Jeff Jeff Hamilton Road, McLeod Road, Westwick Road. It's gonna go towards Cottage Hill Road and Scott Dairy Road, Loop Road South as well. So anywhere in around there is where this could affect. It's already over Jeff Hamilton Road, as I stated that it would be over. It's already over that road. Jeff Hamilton Road, it's already over that. There's potential rotation. So, here's what's going on. We have strong winds entering Mobile Metro, as well as heavy rainfall, lots of lightning, and the potential for embedded circulation. That we're watching here. So, this might get tornado warned, or this might not. But I'm watching a potential area of rotation within this. That's being monitored, and it's over. It's gonna be over Jeff Hamilton Road, about to be on Rigby Drive as of right now. So if you're anywhere in and around Mobile, get ready for strong winds. Get ready for some strong winds and potentially a bad circulation and heavy rainfall as well. Of that storm. Cottage Park Estates, Johnson Road South, is hitting you next. Maybe just, or maybe just really close to Cottage Park Estates. So I'm watching this very closely here because this is a populated area, and it's about to enter even more populated part of this area. And racist sketch still shows some rotation within this. This this whole line is heading into Mobile. Um, so Mobile, you can expect the following hazards here soon. Strong straight line winds, damaging winds. Frequent cloud to ground lightning, heavy rainfall, gusty wind, small hail, and the potential for a brief spin up tornado along this line of storms. And there you go. Tornado warning for Baldwin and Mobile County. This will likely include parts of downtown Mobile. Here we go. We have a tornado warning that has now been issued for parts of Baldwin and Mobile County. That does include the city of Mobile. So tornado warning out in effect for downtown Mobile. That goes until 12:30. Radar indicated. As expected, they did go tornado warn. They did go ahead and pull out that tornado warning. This does include downtown Mobile, midtown Mobile. This includes Pritchard as well, and Saraland. So if you're in Mobile proper, you're under a tornado warning right now, and that goes until 12:30. So the sirens, you're probably your weather radios are probably going off in Mobile. Your water emergency alerts are probably going off as well. That's because you are now under a official tornado warning until 12:30. This is a radar indicated tornado, which means it has not been confirmed on the ground. There's no visual of it being on the ground, but there's a potential that it could produce a brief spin up, which is why they have gone ahead and issued the tornado warning for the city of Mobile and other areas. So now the tornado warning has been issued for Mobile. So that puts our tornado warning count back up to 1 again. So if you're in the city of Mobile, okay, if you're in downtown Mobile and you're listening to me, get your shelter. If you're in Chickasaw, Pritchard, and Saraland, get your shelter right now as well. I told y'all that this might have that this would if the rotation kept going, there might be a tornado warning issued for it. And now here you are, Mobile and Baldwin County, including the city of Mobile. this this does go until 12:30. So if you're in Mobile, I had to clear my throat there because my voice sounded a little messed up there. But yeah, if you're in downtown Mobile, Pritchard, Chickasaw, or Saraland, get your shelter. You're under a tornado warning. Our area of rotation currently, okay? If I were to guess, it would be over. If I had to take a guess on where it is right now, it would be over County Road 36. It would be over. It would be and over Turtle Creek Lane. Okay, that's where this would be over. It would probably go on to West Willow Oak Drive next, and Oak Root Drive, and also will more likely go up to Rachel Drive as well. This is a current tornado warning for the city of Mobile, and here's very shortly here. It is now crossing over the radar site, which is why we're having a difficult time seeing the rotation now. It's because it's over the radar, but it's moving into Mobile. This is moving into Mobile. Mobile, take cover now. Stay with me. We're gonna keep you safe for this as this squad of storms enters Mobile, the downtown area of Mobile, Alabama. So let's track this whole line of storms here. Let me do this here. So moving east at 50 miles per hour. Tillman's Corner, 1207. Mobile, 1215. So you still have some time, Mobile, to get to your safe spot. That's the lowest innermost room in your house. No windows. Put as much of walls between you and the outside as possible. Um, um, if you're in a mobile home, I would have, due to struggles, I would advise finding a more substantial structure, such as a well-built home or something. But Mobile, if you're in Mobile, I will get you shelter right now. You're under a tornado warning until 12:30 this afternoon. This this afternoon. Here. Pritchard and Mobile, I will get you shelter right now. Chickasaw and Saraland as well. I will get you shelter as well. And looking at this on adequate radar, it's clearly hard to tell now because if there is rotation, it's over the radar side right now. So and we can't see it because it's over it's specifically like literally right over that radar site, right? It's over Dakota Silence at the moment. That's what we call the radar site, Dakota Silence. I'd say once it gets over here near Pinehurst, I think that's when we're going to start to get a better look at it. But for right now, we just don't have a good look at it really just yet. But we do have a tornado warning that remains in effect for downtown Mobile, Pritchard, Chickasaw, and Saraland. And the tornado warning goes until 12:30. Central Daylight Time here. Um, um, I think we're starting to see I think we're starting to see stuff go away from get away from. I think we're starting to see stuff out of the radar now. I'm waiting for the next train from here though. So, but if you're at the Grove, Country Club Village, if you're at Pinehurst, Almonte, Brittlewood, um, Allenville, downtown Mobile, Toombville, Pritchard, Chickasaw, Saraland, get your shelter. You're under tornado warning. It goes into effect until 12:30. Um, this is for parts of Mobile and Baldwin counties. Um, so Mobile and Baldwin counties in Alabama. Is the counties involved in this tornado warning here, and we're starting to get a better view of it now. So what I'm seeing right now is strong winds, but we don't know if it's rotating again or not. Still, if it's still rotating or not, we don't know that yet. But the tornado warning is radar indicator includes downtown Mobile. We're still live covering this for you guys here on the channel, and we've been live for almost 2 hours. And we have a tornado warning for the city of Mobile, Alabama right now. There's been tornado damage reported in Slidell. Tornado damage reported, some major damage reported in Lake Charles, in other areas as well. But and we have some possible tornado damage reported in Port Arthur as well, which is all the way up in Texas here from the morning storms. But Mobile, downtown, get your shelter right now. Tornado warning goes until 12:30 p.m. for Baldwin and Mobile counties, specifically including downtown Mobile. Okay, and this was issued because of some rotation hours showing up. If I can go back in time and show y'all what I'm talking about with the rotation, so y'all can see why they warned it. It's because of this right here. This area of rotation right here is why they issued that tornado warning for it. And now the rotation was detected around 11:50, and the tornado warning was issued shortly after at 11:58 a.m. And we're still currently dealing with strong winds is definitely still going to be a concern for Mobile. Don't know if it's rotating anymore, but all I'm seeing is strong winds at the moment. But there might be rotation still over the coast south that's just hiding there. And about ready to show up here soon. Never mind, maybe the rotation has died down a little bit here. But strong winds still a concern as it enters Mobile Metro. Upwards of 58, maybe even higher miles per hour winds about to impact the city of Mobile here soon. So, Mobile, get ready. It's about to hit you now. This one extends all the way to Bayou Battery as well, with the potential of some strong winds as well. I don't see any embedded circulation in Bayou Battery or Theodore, but I did see rotation over here that prompted that tornado warning from Baldwin and Mobile County, including downtown Mobile here. So that's definitely something to watch very closely here. Out behind it, there's just a lot of rainfall and stuff going on. There's a lot of flash flood warnings, and we even have a flash flood emergency for New Orleans. So not a good situation for New Orleans right now. Not a very good situation at all. But Richard Mobile, get ready for strong winds. As well as Saraland, Chickasaw, um, Pinehurst, it's over to you now. Um, Mobile proper, you're about to get hit by this now. It'll be there at 12:15. Okay, you don't have much time left. If you haven't got to shelter, if you have not gotten to shelter yet, Mobile, get there quickly because this is about to enter your area right now. There's also over 700 strikes of lightning with this storm. Actually, 800 lightning strikes with this storm as it heads into Mobile. So there's also a lot of lightning with this as it enters Mobile. Radar scan now has it over Interstate 65 and going into downtown Mobile here very soon. So it's over Interstate 65. The strongest winds is now. It's over Interstate 65 going into downtown Mobile and is about to cause power outages is likely to Mobile. Tornado warning has been updated, still re-notified. But the news is here, let's see who's out of the warning. So the radar site, so if you live on the radar site, you're out of the tornado warning and the worst is past you, so you can now head out of your safe place if you live on the radar site. But if you live in downtown Mobile still, Pritchard, Chickasaw, stay in your safe spot. Saraland, stay in your safe spot. Strong winds still approaching your area right now. Let me stop the loop here. This is the main impact we're dealing with right now. Reports out of so 1 inch tree limbs broken, shingles blown off, and then trees down in John Slidell Park. Some flooding reports as well out of Slidell. Numerous vehicles damaged at Dennis by thrown container. Trees uprooted or snapped, roof blown off. Well, and that is 1 mile north of Killen in Hancock County, Mississippi. Damage reported at the Rouses at Diamond Head. 1 inch tree limbs broken, shingles blown off from a report at Diamond Head. More trees blown down. More trees down on Edwin Wagner Road as well. Um, More trees down over near St. Martin. 1.3 inch hailport in out of Biloxi. And now there's and now this is entering Mobile. This is now hitting Mobile. The line of storms that I've been warning you Mobile about is now over your it is now over you now. Um, you're still under that tornado warning until 12:30. It's still radar indicated. Right now. There's still heavy rainfall behind it and lightning behind it. So you're still hearing thunder even behind after the worst has passed you. Okay. Tillman's Corner, the worst is kind of passing by you right now. Um, this is in Mobile right now. Strong straight one winds. Um, it is over Dolphin. It is over. It's over. Dolphin Street, Old Shell Road, Spring Hill Avenue, Duncan Street, Dublin Street, East Dublin Street. It's over to Lad Peebles Stadium. It's over that area as well. This is in downtown Mobile now. Tornado warning remains in effect until 12:30 for Mobile. Flash flood warning now in effect for Mobile County until 3:15 p.m. So Mobile, you're under a flash flood warning now because all this heavy rainfall will have the potential for flash flooding. As it moves through. So you're under a flash flood warning for a few hours. Until 3:15. Okay. Um, there's this, there's what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a new track on this line of storms. Moving east at 45 miles per hour. Point clear 1227. Staffing 1227. Spanish Fort 1227. Fairhope 1227. Silver Hill 1239. Waxley 1239. Robertsdale 1242. Summerdale 1243. Foley 1247. And Moyano at 115. So if you're in those areas, that's where this is heading towards next. You are next in line to get hit by this storm, this line of storms here. It's too late for me to put a storm track again on the Mobile line because it's over Mobile, and Mobile will not be in the track if I do that. And actually, I will do another track here. Let's track it. Let's see. East of 45, if I was correct. No, moving northeast. Wait, did I say northeast? Yeah, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Okay, yeah, moving northeast at 45. So I put the direction of that a little bit incorrectly there. Northeast at 45 miles per hour. Spanish Fort 1228, that being 1229 Bay Minute, 1246 Atmore, 112. Okay? That's where the tornado warning part of the line will go towards. But the whole line itself is gonna affect everybody from it's gonna affect everyone from downtown Mobile all the way down to Bayou Battery. So places like Point Clear, Daphne, Spanish Fort, Robertsdale, Summerdale, Foley, Alberta, Loxley, Bay Minute, Atmore. Um, you're next in line for this line to hit you. It's moving through Mobile now with strong winds at the very moment. Upwards of 60, maybe even 70 mile per hour winds in Mobile right now. Do I see any rotation? No, I didn't. I really do not. I don't see any rotation with this storm in Mobile. Um, have to give him a moment, but I do see strong winds with this, so I would stay in shelter if you live in Mobile Metro, just for until 12:30 here. Um, and then you should be good to get out of your safe spot after that. But a lot of it's pretty hectic severe weather day has been going on today. Mobile, the worst is now in your area right now. With strong winds. It's probably really loud where you are, Mobile. But don't panic. Stay calm and let it pass. For a little bit here. Um, the tornado warning is in effect for another, I think, 10 minutes or so. Here, it's 12:30. The wind. If you're in Mobile, you probably hear the wind dying down now, but about to start dying down here in a second. Which means the worst is past, probably about done, about past your area now. Um, and is moving away from you. So that's good news. For Mobile. Okay, that's good news. Bay Minute. I'll get ready for this. Spanish Fort, Daphne, Point Clear, Fairhope, Baywood Battery, and other areas here as well. Um, I'll get ready for that. I think after the Mobile tornado warning expires, I'm going to go ahead and conclude our coverage after that. But until then, I'm gonna stay with you guys here while we cover this. Hold up. Actually, we're gonna stay alive here. We're gonna stay alive probably longer. We have a new area of rotation near Chickasaw. See that right there? That's another area of rotation near Chickasaw. Possible tornado developing near Chickasaw. This is in Mobile County. So we might have a tornado developing in Mobile County near Chickasaw. Right here. We might have a tornado developing near Chickasaw. So as I said before, these can have embedded circulations that spin up tornadoes, and that looks to be possibly developing near Chickasaw. This is along. This is over Viaduct Road. Okay, it's very close to Viaduct Road as of now, and the new scan just came in, so we're gonna look at that. and see what that's showing it once I clear this out of the way. And it still shows rotation, so a possible tornado may be developing near Chickasaw over, which is, it's coming over Viaduct Road here. Excuse me, I just had a little burp there. Sorry about that. But possible tornado is developing near Chickasaw with that area of rotation. Akka, get your safe spot. It's heading your way right now. Give me 1 second, you guys. Still monitoring an area of rotation, right here. Passed by Chickasaw, and is now right here. Okay? It's currently over 12 Mile Island, about to cross the Mobile River. And it's about to go towards Bay Minute, okay? So Bay Minute, I will get to shelter right now. Once this warning does expire, though, okay, the tornado warning has expired. What? Day 2 just went enhanced. Day 2 just got upgraded to enhanced risk of severe weather. Alrighty, y'all. Day 2's enhanced. Let's see if I can load it up an elevator. Hold on. check that out. Yup. Parts of Ohio and West Virginia here. Let's check total props. 10% non-sig. I might have to go high for tomorrow then. Holy. We now have a 10% tornado risk for tomorrow. So, and that includes places like Akron, Canton, Alliance, and Marietta, Parkersville, Athens, Logan, Huntington, and Ashland. So we now have an enhanced risk of severe weather for tomorrow, and a continued day one moderate. Okay, the moderate risk is still in effect. So. But yeah, day two is now officially enhanced. Let's see. Let's read their discussion. Interesting. So yeah, we now have an enhanced risk for tomorrow. That's gonna be interesting. Let me check CC because apparently there might have been a brief tornado with that rotation there. Your Chickasaw. Not seeing CC drop. That's good. All right, so Mobile, you can now get out of your safe spot. You're good to go. All right, I'm gonna conclude my coverage here since we have no tornado warnings. I will see you guys later. Have a great rest of y'all's day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's potential severe weather event. Because tomorrow's another enhanced stress day. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.